Hi, I'm Michelle.Mumoli, real estate broker salesperson with Compass and Home Edition, and I want to welcome you to our newest building launch. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, lofted condominium space in historic Hamilton Park in downtown Jersey City. Come take a tour. Super high ceilings make this just a bright and airy location with your own private terrace outside. This is a south-facing unit, so it gets a ton of light during the day. The master bedroom has a ton of closet space and has additional built-in storage here, additional closet space, and a ton of space for a queen size or even king size bed. And the lofted area has historically been used as a second bedroom. You can use this as additional storage space. You can build up the walls. The possibilities are endless here, but this also has a walk-in closet. Office space, guest room, anything that you might like, you can find in this beautiful condo. Come out to this amazing sunny terrace with me. This is an absolutely amazing space that you can transform and make your own, but ultimately, south-facing, a ton of light, you get a great tan. I look forward to seeing you soon at our listing at 205 10th Street, number 2D in downtown Jersey City.